Have you ever felt lost? Like you're just surviving, not living? This is the story of Emma, a 25-year-old girl who lost herself and found something even better. 2 years ago, Emma woke up every day at noon, not because she wanted to, but because she stayed up until 3 a.m. scrolling through her phone. She ordered pizza for breakfast. She skipped showers for days. Her room, a mess. Her life, an even bigger mess. Emma had dreams once. She wanted to be a graphic designer. She wanted to travel. She wanted to feel alive. But somewhere along the way, she gave up. She told herself, "Tomorrow, I'll start tomorrow." But tomorrow never came. One day, Emma looked in the mirror. She didn't recognize the person staring back. Her eyes looked tired, empty, lost, and she whispered to herself, "Is this really my life?" That question changed everything. Emma made a decision that night. Not a big, dramatic promise, just a small one. "Tomorrow, I will wake up at 8 a.m. Just once, I will try." And she did. It was hard. Her body wanted to sleep. But she got up. She made her bed. It took 2 minutes, such a small thing. But when she looked at that made bed, she felt something she hadn't felt in months. Pride. "If I can do this," she thought, "maybe I can do more." Emma didn't change overnight. Change never works that way. Week 1. She woke up at 8 a.m. every day. She made her bed. That's it. Small steps. Week 2. She added 10 minutes of exercise. Just 10 minutes. Nothing crazy. Some stretching, some jumping jacks. Week 3. She cleaned her room. It took 2 hours, but when she finished, she could breathe again. Month 2. She started learning graphic design online. 30 minutes a day. Every single day. Month 4. She deleted social media from her phone. She replaced scrolling with reading. Month 6. She got her first freelance design job. It wasn't big, but it was hers. Some days were hard. Some days she failed. She woke up late. She skipped exercise. She felt like giving up. But here's what Emma learned. One bad day doesn't erase all your good days. So she kept going, one small step at a time. Today, Emma is 27. She runs her own design business. She travels. She wakes up excited about her day. But here's the beautiful part. Emma says the best thing she gained wasn't success. It was herself. She found the girl she lost. Strong, capable, disciplined. And it all started with one small choice: to make her bed. Maybe you feel lost right now. Maybe you're scrolling through life, waiting for someday. But here's the truth. You don't need to change everything. You just need to change one thing. Today, make your bed, drink water, walk for 10 minutes, read 1 page. Small steps create big journeys. Your story can change. Starting now. What will your first step be? Now let's learn some new words. Lost equals confused, without direction. Surviving equals staying alive, but not happy. Scrolling equals moving through content on phone/computer. Gave up equals stopped trying. Dramatic equals big and emotional. Pride equals feeling good about yourself. Overnight equals very quickly. Freelance equals working independently. Erase equals delete. Remove. Capable equals able to do things. Subscribe and support. Stay disciplined. Thanks for watching.